Today we are going to discuss about hop spots. Okay, so UPSC already asked a question regarding the concept called as hot spots. Okay, hot spots was a concept made by a scientist called as Norman Mayer. Right. So based on that hot spot concept, UPSC asked a question. Right. So similarly, we have another type of protected area called as hop spots. Okay, so it's a kind of protected area by the Mission Blue organization. So UPSC can ask question regarding the hop spots. Why? Because India is having two hop spots. One is Andaman Islands and the second is Lakshadweep Islands. So hop spots are a kind of area which need protection. Right. So hop spots can be existing marine protected areas or it can be area that need protection. So hop spots will be most critical areas in the oceans. Okay. So as the name suggests, the hop spot, they provide hope for the future, because by conserving these areas we can preserve the oceans, we can preserve or we can protect the biodiversity of ocean, and thereby it can maintain the ecology of earth also. Right. Why? Because this area have special abundance of diversities. Hop spots are areas that need protection and they are most critical parts of oceans, and they are having special abundance of species diversities. So first of all, who designate these hop spots? So these hop spots are established by the Mission Blue. Okay, so Mission Blue is a not-for-profit, non-governmental organization which is founded by a world-renowned oceanographer called as Dr. Sylvia Earle. Okay, so Dr. Sylvia Earle, she is the founder of Mission Blue and she also initiated this hop spot concept. Okay, so led by the legendary oceanographer called as Dr. Sylvia Earle, the Mission Blue is uniting a global coalition to support for a world network of marine protected areas, and that are called as hop spots. So, in order to preserve the most critical parts of ocean, the Mission Blue established the protected areas called as hop spots. Okay, so the Mission Blue organization is founded by a person called as Dr. Sylvia Earle, and also the concept of hop spot is also initiated by Dr. Sylvia Earle. Okay, this point you have to remember. The Mission Blue is a not-for-profit organization dedicated to inspiring action to explore and protect the ocean. Okay, to explore and protect the ocean, we are having a not-for-profit organization called as Mission Blue, and that was founded by Dr. Sylvia Earle in 2008. So the Mission Blue's conservation strategy is based on the hop spots. So hop spots are ecologically important areas of the oceans, and these hop spots, if we protect it, that can regenerate the ocean back to the normal. So the healthy ocean can be regenerated if you are protecting these hop spots. So here is one main point you have to remember. That means Mission Blue, in partnership with the IUCN, International Union for Conservation of Nature and Natural Resources, maintains a scientific council which is headed by this Dr. Sylvia. Council is made up of marine experts and they have the duty to review the applications of this hop spot nomination and they will assess the nomination. So this council will approve the site as hop spot if that site meets specific scientific and conservation criteria. So this is the definition which is given by the website. Okay, so hop spots are special places that are scientifically identified as critical to the health of the ocean. Okay, so hop spots are special places that are scientifically identified as the critical to the health of ocean. So if you are protecting that area, we can protect the ocean, right? We can revive or we can regenerate the health of the ocean. So as part of this initiative, the local conservationists will be supported by the communications, expeditions and scientific advisory by the hop spot or by the Mission Blue. So hop spots are often areas that need new protection, or it can be existing marine protected areas, and that marine protected areas may be requiring more action. So here is another point regarding the protection. Some hop spots are already formally protected, okay, but some of the others are still needing defined protection. Okay, so this hop spot allows us to plan for the future and look beyond the marine protected areas, right? The marine protected areas are like the national parks in the land area. Now, what areas are identified as hop spots? So these are the criteria or features that an area must have to be nominated for the hop spot. So the area which are nominated may be large area or it can be small area, but it provide hope for the future. Okay, hope for the betterment of the ocean, right? And that area provide hope due to these following features. That means a special abundance or diversity of species will be there, or unusual or representative species, habitats or ecosystem will be there, right, or should be there. Then particular populations of rare, threatened or endemic species should be there. Then a site with the potential to reverse damage from negative human impacts. Then the presence of natural processes such as major migration corridors or spawning grounds. Then significant historical, cultural or spiritual values. Then particular economic importance to the community. So if an area is having this much features, then it provide hope for the reviving of that ocean or the protection of that area. Right. Now we need to know how does this Mission Blue organization supports this hope spot. Right. So this statement you have to remember. Mission Blue inspires action to explore and protect the ocean, and that is the mission statement of Mission Blue. Right. So this Mission Blue, they have launched lots of expeditions around the world to explore the hope spots. So this Mission Blue, they will influence the policy makers and they will create documentaries to educate the publics. And this Mission Blue is a leading global ocean conservation organization and which is having millions of followers. And around 200 organizations are there which are partners of this Mission Blue. And one of the main partner is IUCN, International Union for Conservation of Nature and Natural Resources. And this Mission Blue is having a platform from where the people or the public can access the information or photos, videos and scientific data regarding the hotspots. And this is one point you have to remember. They do the community engagement. So through the hotspots network, Mission Blue engages the communities around the planet for the ocean conservation. Right. So in order to elevate the hotspots or in order to make it famous, the Mission Blue team implements communication campaigns through the documentaries, social media, traditional media and through other innovative tools also. So Mission Blue works to rally the local and international communities with an ultimate goal of conserving the areas of oceans which will be turning into marine protected areas, and that are called as hotspots. So here is the vision of Mission Blue. So vision of Mission Blue is to increase the official protection of the ocean from just over 6% today to the 30% by 2030. That is the vision of Mission Blue. Okay. So simply saying, hotspots are an area which are needing protection, which need new protection, which are most critical parts of oceans and which are initiated by Dr. Sylvia Earle and under the Mission Blue organization in partnership with the IUCN. Right. And India is having two hotspots, Andaman Islands and Lakshadweep Island. Now, if you want to nominate a hotspot, you can do it through the website of Blue Mission or Mission Blue, right? Because there is a nomination button in the website. Through that, you can nominate a place for the inclusion in the hotspot, right? And later, the council will decide. Okay, earlier we said that there is a council which is headed by the Dr. Sylvia and which will be having world experts on oceanography, right? So, anyone can nominate a site which is special for someone, okay, but it should give some hope, right? So if any site is there which provides hope for the betterment of ocean conservation and all, any person can nominate that area, right, through the website. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you.